Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I wanna presentation my portfolio as a UI UX designer. So without further ado, let's we get started. And the first thing I had a 3 time of IDN teaching or IDN mentoring of UI UX or being a Figma mentor. In here, in my first mentor, I'm teaching about how to use Figma, just use Figma, and I took three days for this mentoring in my old school, in my previous school, my junior high school. In the next, I am being mentor again in SMP INBS in my second semester of 10 grades. Next, oh my god, yeah, I'm being a mentor, or I was being a mentor, or I was being a teacher in Thailand. Alhamdulillah, in Sangkom Islam Witaya. I am teaching about Canva to the to SD people SD. They cannot speak English well, actually, and so we talk with them with Google Translator.
I see. Using voice today.
Yeah, using voice, or we ketik what, we type it. And next, my certification. I have a lot of certification, but I just put my certification that they have the ID certification. The first certification is from Google Coursera, and is named Foundation of User Experience or UX Design, signed by Amanda. Yay, Amanda, I love you. And the next certification is from Coursera again. It's named Start the UX Design Process, Empathize, Define, and Idea. Next, from Skillful, I have done my Skillful class that named Animasi Dasar 3D Blender. The next thing is from Skillful again, and it's Intro to UI UX. I have anyway, wait a minute. I got gold, and gold again. And it's from the Islam Witaya School. I mean, it's from Thailand. The certification of participation to the International Scout Camp. Next, oh shit! You cannot touch your phone. So this certification as a trainer teacher in Sangkom, or they call it Bandlum. And there are a lot of my works, and the first is my UI web. The Ichigo is a gaming web. Not only can you buy the games you like, but this web is also accompanied by additional streamers that can be watched on this web, and also a new page. Who knows, there are still those who miss the news, right? Actually, it's my first, no, not first, but it's my ugliest project that I have done, and this is the full of my project. I know that you don't want to you don't want to see it. And this is the second EGLS. Yes, EGLS is the stand of lifestyle. Studies says 33.8% of humans cannot live with lifestyle. Well, HELS provides a web shop that is easy to understand for teenagers and also approach many famous and branded clothes without having to bother. If you are a beginner, so the simple is it's like Shopee or Tokopedia.
Online shopping.
Yeah, online shop. This is the full size, full screen. Next is EasyRest, or it can called be, oh wow, it can called be like the different Pinterest. This is my microblog for Dinia project, and this is my my free time, works. I'm doing a Gabut works. Sorry. That I make a 3D, not 3D, but like look like the image like 3D. It's called isometric building. And it's my 3D bedroom created with Figma. Next, 3D living room. Next, and 3D traffic cone. And next, 3D RGB room. I love this one.
You tell how do you create it using what platform?
Alright, the first is all my 3D design is all from Blender, and I don't know how I can how
Where do you take the example? Example of bedroom like that.
I take the example from
Google.
no, actually I don't have any reference. I create from my brain to
Your own imagination.
yes, it's from my imagination, and I don't know how I can be this good as fuck. So this is the best I guess this is the best thing that I have done, but it still pixel. Oh, what a good.
What is that? Laptop.
No,
Chair.
it's a chair, a pillow, book, and many things. I will tell my what
My teachings.
my teaching story,
Experience.
my teaching experience with brother Nicky. Come here, no,
Oh, with Nikki.
Nicky, come here, Nicky. Good boy, come here, no.
You were with Nikki.
No, actually not. So I'm here with Apis. Yes, there is Apis Al Arif, Mirja Ahsan, and also there is a Rafi. Look, Rafi. Pi. Mana? Where's Rafi? Actually, there is Rafi Akmal, and I don't know.
Uncounted.
He disappeared. Like I don't know. Is the head of the school? What?
Headmaster.
The headmaster of school, and there are 10 students that I mentored, and
Student or student?
student. There are 10 students that I mentored, and but after I teach them, after I mentored them, I make some quiz. Then from quizzes, the quizzes is about the quizzes is telling about what is where is telling about what is Figma, telling about how we create one frame in Figma, how we what is the what the shortcut of pen, the shortcut of rectangle, and many things. In the second place, in the second mentor, we created shut up, fuck. We create isometric. Nikki. We create isometric building and wait a minute. And graphic design, like for Instagram story actually. And that work so far. That's work so clean, not bad. I love him. I love them. I love him. What the fuck? And this is nostalgic.
Nostalgic moment. Mari kita terus semua.
Nicky, can you stand up and come here? Okay.
Already 3 minutes.
Okay, one story again is, aduh. When I am in Bandung, when I am in Sangkom Islam Witaya, before we did teach or we be a mentor, we did scout camp that there are three regions that there are three regions, that is Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia. And I got some new friends from there, like Chinese people, and some Thailands. There is her. It's her.
Oh, you love her.
Not anymore. Then you know the story. Can you tell the story? There is him. Look, Ganyu, come here and tell the story about her. Okay, maybe that's all from me, and sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.